A speaker makes sound by shaking air. That sounds too simple. Because music feels invisible. A voice comes out. A beat hits your chest. But inside the speaker, something physical is happening. The speaker cone moves back and forth very fast. When it moves forward, it pushes air together. When it moves backward, it pulls air apart. That creates waves of high and low pressure, moving through the room. When those waves reach your ears, your brain turns them into sound. So a speaker does not throw music through the air. It shakes the air until your ears understand it.